Today is the part 2 of my Fendacci unboxing. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you so very much for clicking on this video. Today is a part 2 of Fendacci. I went a bit crazy with the Fendacci. This collaboration, because Fendi and Versace, they did something really exceptional. I have part 1 Fendacci unboxing. This is the handbag. I'm so excited about that handbag. Please watch it. I talk about size. I actually have also modeling shots, like, you know, how I style, etc. And today I have 3 other pieces from the Fendacci, and I'm so excited to share with you. So as I said, I have 3 items to share with you today. One of the items I purchased together with my handbag at Versace boutique, and it's ready to wear. And as I said, the handbag I already unboxed. Then I purchased also 1 extra item from Versace website, and I purchased 1 item from Fendi website. So from the Fendi website, it actually came, like, you know, in the delivery box, and then inside there was a shopping bag. Then there is a Fendacci, you know, booklet with all the different stickers. Really nice gesture. And the receipt was actually in regular Fendi envelope. And here's the package in beautiful Fendacci box. And here is the dust bag. And by the dust bag, you guess that it's glasses. And the dust bag is actually quite cushy and soft, so it's well protected. Really love it. And this is the glasses. So I tried these glasses in the kind of brown color at the boutique, and I ordered through the website black one. So you can see that there is a Fendacci logo right there. I hope it's focusing. On the side you can see Versace pin, but it's together with kind of F logos. Absolutely gorgeous. And let me try it on. And that's how it looks like. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. And I have Versace sunglasses already, like for many years. I actually love Versace shape sunglasses. They suit me quite well. And this is Fendacci. It's a combination of Fendi and Versace. Absolutely love it. They're so comfortable, and I'm looking forward to use them for many years to come. So let me see. So that's how they look like. There is little bit Fendacci logo right there. Love them. Absolutely love them. So the item number 1 is my sunglasses. So let's open item number 2. This one I got from Versace website. Once again, it came in beautiful Fendacci box. I already opened it previously just to see that you know, the packaging was okay. It was also come in a beautiful Fendacci envelope. There is a Versace kind of an additional, I guess it's cards. Let me see. Yeah, just a Versace an additional card. And once again, Fendacci an additional information with the ID. Really perfect packaging. Love it. Everything came, you know, as it should be. There is 2 Fendacci dust bags, and let me show you those dust bags, because as I said, they're absolutely gorgeous. Very nice quality. And let me show you the item. Ta-da! Let me remove it from the box. So this is Fendacci sneakers. I will show you the actual information right here. So this is the information about the sneakers. I truly hope that it's in the focus. Okay, and over here it says sneaker Tesoro San Fendacci Gold Barocco Multicolor Oro Versace. That's what it says. I got it in size 37, but I already tried them. So obviously on the one of the sneakers, it has this kind of Fendacci tag, so obviously if you're gonna cut it, it's yours. This is the print, absolutely the cutest. You have a Greca kind of print all over. At the back it says Fendacci, and on the bottom, most likely it's very hard going to be to see, but it says over here Versace, and you have La Medusa head inside. Very cute. And as I said, I got it in size 37, but frankly turns out that this size is a bit big for me, because like when it comes to the sneakers, I'm sometimes 36 and a half, sometimes I'm 37, and with the shoes sometimes I'm 36 and a half, sometimes I'm 37. For example, I have my Gucci shoes and I'm size 36 and a half, and in both of them I have my Louis Vuitton shoes and Louis Vuitton boots. In Louis Vuitton boots, once again, I'm size 36 and a half, and sneakers I'm 36 and a half, but shoes I'm 37. So this one, I'm assuming I should be size 36 and a half again, but I got it in size 37. But the good news, because my daughter, she's size 37 and a half, sometime like if she wants to have like kind of looser feel, so she even can get size 38. But these sneakers, they're absolutely perfect size for my daughter. So just like, you know, take it into consideration if you're gonna be ordering through the website. But once again, my foot is kind of skinny and long, so I'm assuming, you know, this size 37 is big for me. But as I said, everything worked out because it's a perfect fit for my daughter, and she absolutely loves them. She goes like, oh my gosh, they're so cool. So it turns out that these sneakers are for my daughter. And the last piece that I actually got it at the boutique, and if you haven't checked my Fendacci vlog, I highly guys advise you to do so. I'm gonna link it once again over here, and this is ready to wear. So let me open up. It comes in this beautiful garment bag, and this is Fendacci mini skirt with Versace pin, which is very iconic Versace pin. And let me show you. So it comes obviously with the Fendacci hangers, and even over here they have like extra pieces of fabric, so it's not gonna leave kind of marks on the skirt from pressure. So just kind of like that. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna turn around. So this is the Fendacci hanger, and comes also with all the Fendacci required tags, I would say. And I got it in the size 40. Let me show you. Just want to make sure. It comes also with the extra button, and I got it in the size 40. Yeah, right there. Hope it's focused. If not focusing, sorry guys, just trust me, I got it in size 40. And to be honest, when I tried at the boutique, I really love it, but I think for my age it's a little bit too short, because you know, but obviously I have my daughter, and quite often I share my items with my daughter. But what I thought about it, how I gonna use it, because I have these Fendi biker shorts and they're so cute, and what I thought about is that I gonna wear this with my Fendi biker shorts. And let me show you my plan how I gonna use this. So my plan of using this you know, skirt with the Fendi biker shorts. So in this case, it's not going to be as short, and most likely I'm gonna include my modeling shots, how it's gonna look like, and I thought it's absolutely perfect. I have also my Fendi like, you know, heels, and I thought it's gonna look absolutely perfect. So that is the last piece, and I really love it. See what they did with these collections, that if you have some pieces from Fendi, obviously with the Zucca print, you can, you know, mix them and match, or opposite, if you have something from Versace, you know, with the Versace Barocco print. So once again, and you purchase some kind of handbag or something else from the Fendace collection on the Fendi website, it's all gonna blend together quite nicely. So this is the last piece that I got, and I thought, like, you know, in the winter with thick kind of leggings or something with the high boots, it will look absolutely perfect as well. So there is a beautiful Versace button over there, and as I said, a beautiful pin Versace right there. So that is my unboxing of all Fendace pieces that I got this time. I am so excited, looking forward, you know, wearing all these pieces, because I think they are absolutely gorgeous. So please let me know what you like the most. What is your pick number 1, 2, and 3? Is it the sunglasses? Is it a skirt? Is it sneakers? Please put your comments below, because I highly appreciate your comments. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.